Am I look cool?
Yeah.
So this eggs, they were there for 20 years.
I'm gonna break them now.
The wall over here looks horrible. So bah, bah, bah. Still mess. Let's have a look what I've done last night. Oh, we still got butterfly alive. Trying to fly. If you take it outside, it would die.
Why?
Because it's too cold for them. They only survive because they stay in the room.
So, how the Christmas trees are gonna fit in there. Thank you. It's broke. Hey, what does it say?
Kochilko. So. Yeah, don't know. Look what I found yesterday.
Yeah, I found that.
You found that, didn't you?
Alright.
School wrap. And there's another one. Oh, look what I found. Money.
What's that?
But I know that it was used as an ashtray.
Two thermometers. What's this? What's inside?
Nothing.
What? The treasure box is nothing. Oh my!
Another
let's-
one.
I think I heard something inside there. Watch, jewelry.
It's handmade.
Wait, it's handmade.
Yeah.
Handmade.
I'll keep that. This is atomic eggs. They've been there for about 10, 11 years. Even more. Well, sorry, not 11 years, 20 years. Try imagine what would happen if they breaks. I'm gonna put it here on the sunlight. And I'm gonna braid them. So these eggs, they were there for 20 years.
I'm gonna break them now. Oh, see the hole.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yucky.
Okay. Ew.
What is?
Red flag.
I may keep that one as well. Look, what's this? What do you reckon? Is it Chinese? Japanese?
I can't reckon. This is definitely not Japanese.
Why not?
Because I almost know all the Japanese letters.
Okay.
I know that. Correct.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, stop it.
Okay.
Oh, this one looks alright.
What? It looks funny.
Am I look cool?
Yeah.
Am I?
Yeah. But
Call them speed glasses. Yes. If you wear them, you can do everything faster. See? More medicines.
medicines, and more medicines.
Do you know what is this?
Me and you.
Yes, that's me and you taking a nap. that's a little bit nostalgic for me. There's a school chair. Don't know how it gets here. For me, it seems like I'm just pushing stuff there and back and forth. That will need to go out. The wall over here just looks horrible. Plan was make a bedroom and then start with this room. Made it all wiring, then do plastering and all that. We changed the plan. So first I'm gonna make a kitchen, which is so we're gonna make a kitchen over here, and once we got a kitchen, I will sort this room out. Gonna completely rebuild it, and then we'll get to the bedroom over there. Just mess everywhere around. Well, give me a couple more days. Just bear in mind that's day number 3. That's day number 3 in the farm. Now we're just pushing stuff there and back. That's pretty much all I do. Trying to clean the walls and trying to wash the floor. Sound of breaking sofa.
Yeah. Why did you break the sofa?
So I don't need that anymore.
Right, I'm going inside.
A little bit of mess. That's how the walls look like. I'll sort it. Easy fix. That's where it goes. So now let's do some washing. Right, so that's it all done. Sellotaped it everywhere with the cardboard. So if you see that job I done with the cardboard and sellotape, it's not gonna stay forever there. As you see as how bad the wall is. So I decided to just put whatever cardboard sellotape, sellotape it, just be temporary. So we don't have too much dust over there. So probably now we do with the shower, but again, I will have to do pirate shower. If you know what is pirate shower, type in the comments. And I think that's the best time to ask you to like, subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I will keep uploading videos. What else I can say? Can quickly talk about my plans. So I already make a bedroom for us. So we got a place where to sleep and make a room for Sigitta's fire as well. I'm gonna start with the kitchen and that chimney first. So once I make a kitchen, the life will be easier for us. We can use washing machine, dishwasher. I'll make a toilet and hoping to make a shower. So that's the first things that I will do. And then once all that done, I will crack on with the one of the rooms. What I'm planning to do is refurbish the walls from inside, walls, ceilings, and gonna sort out the floors as well. So once we have a one room ready, then we're gonna move all of our stuff from that room into the room that has been refurbished. And then I'm gonna do the same with the next room. And once we finish with that, then we're gonna crack on with the next room. Of course, in between, I have to work on the land as well. Probably will have to make a greenhouse at some point and help Sigita with the planting stuff. Of course, there will be a lot of works around, like cutting the grass. I'll have to do something for Amelia, build trampoline and build swings and all that, for Amelia to play, because she's getting bored sometimes and there's not a lot of things to do around. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The day 3 is over. There's only 3 days in the farm. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And like, subscribe if you haven't, leave the comment. That will help algorithms to promote my video. And yeah, see you in my next video.